Rumors of a Solana ETF have been going around Twitter. Is Solana going to be the next crypto to get a massive pump? Overall, crypto market's starting to pick up, and with a Solana ETF, this could be absolutely insane for the meme coin market. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Solana. Before the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. Overall, crypto market taking a bit of a nosedive today. Unfortunately, Bitcoin has lost a $69,000 position, currently at $67,000, but I think it's going to make a recovery. Ethereum also taking a nasty nosedive this week, down 8%. It's lost its $3,500 position. BNB sitting at $600, also down about 10%. Solana also down by 10%. We're seeing a lot of red across the boards. However, this was anticipated. We did see a lot of these projects pumping in the past couple of weeks, so a bit of a sell-off was normal, but I think this is going to be good for the overall mixed things as pumps will continue, especially for Solana, guys. Right now is a great time to load up on some Solana if you haven't already, because remember, Solana had some massive peaks, almost $200. So again, you could be making at least $50 per Solana coin. Granted, even the ETF stuff didn't happen. If the ETF stuff does happen, a lot of money will come in the market, causing it to pump even more. So there could be a bag to be made there. Again, massive market cap, $68 billion, making top 5 cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. In terms of volume, at 7 with $2.7 billion in 24-hour volume, up 60%, and a lot of exciting things happening. Even Solana is currently trending on the trending tab, which is usually reserved for meme coins. We see Solana trending at number 6, Bitcoin trending at number 5, not too bad. We see down about 7% on the day, about 11% on the week, and up 2% on the month, almost 3%, which is not too bad. And I'm anticipating we will see a reversal. When we go to the 1 month chart, guys, we can see it all taking place. We see a nice pump, then a bit of a correction. It was kind of holding this position over here, kind of started rising again, and then it's going downwards direction. I anticipate this is going to be a recovery, kind of like a upside down cycle where it's going to recover. We've been seeing this time and time again. It peaks, pulls back, bigger peak, pulls back. We're on momentum to get a bigger peak, but I think we are just pulling back, and it's going to pump again, kind of like what we saw over here in the chart. Now we see the technical reports are looking pretty solid as well. Yes, we are down 10%, but when we actually go to the technicals, it's looking all right. Yeah. We're seeing oscillators are in neutral, moving averages are in a strong sell. So summer is giving us a sell, which that's what the charts are indicating, because obviously we see a lot of dumping taking place. But again, when in doubt, zoom out. We see there's so much more growth to go for the project, and I don't think it's just dumping just here. Now, there's a slight reason why Solana is dumping. We take a look at some articles. We see this Andrew Tate article going crazy, getting a lot of buzz. Andrew Tate burns $38 million worth of Solana meme coin tokens, vows to crash the network. Andrew Tate, a renowned internet personality, has grabbed the crypto community's eyeballs as he burned over 587 million tokens in a newly launched Solana meme coin. Andrew Tate recently conducted a massive burn of the Solana-based token, Top G token. The internet celebrity vowed to crash Solana network, and then after the token burns, Top G skyrocketed more than 130% in a single day. As again, obviously, he's not trying to crash the network, but if he's going to keep doing these buybacks and burns and people are sending him tokens, he's going to burn them, it's obviously going to cause a lot of the tokens to pump, and it's causing some disruption in the marketplace. But I think overall, this is going to blow over. This is more of a fad in my opinion. What's more meat and potatoes is this, right? So big rumor, BlackRock all set to apply for a Sol ETF next month. Now, this is absolutely massive. This tweet has over 640,000 views and a lot of retweets, a lot of comments. People are getting excited. Here's the thing. BlackRock went into Bitcoin, they went into Ethereum, and what was next? It was obviously Solana was going to be next. A lot of people were thinking it's going to be dogecoin as well. I don't think they really want to mess too deep into the meme coin side of things, maybe in terms of like leverage trading and whatnot, but I don't think they're going to actually go all in. But in terms of a solid long-term position, Solana could be that position. BNB could also be that position as well, but I think it's going to be Solana this time around. Solana has a lot of attention, it has lots of volume, it has lots of low fees, fast transacting, so it makes sense that the money is going there. All the meme coins decide to deploy on Solana, and now the big hedge funds are seeing that, they're seeing the volume, and they want a piece of that. If they do an ETF, it could be absolutely insane for the price of Sol. I'm thinking we could easily see a $300 Sol, at least a 2x from here. At minimum, we are going to see Solana at $200, mark my words. So we're looking at $50 per Solana coin if you buy a small bag. Like always, so guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And let me know, what do you think about Solana? You think my prediction is bullish, bearish? I want to hear all in the comment section. That's the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.